You ever felt like you're posting videos, creating content, sharing links, but still getting zero traffic, no views, no clicks, no sales, nothing? Trust me, I've been there, but then stumbled upon something different, something that claims to unlock hidden internet traffic without running ads, without showing your face, and without posting endlessly. It's called the Invisible Traffic System by Dave Espino. And in this video, I'm going to give you a brutally honest review, what it is, how it works, who it's really for, and whether it's worthy or hard-earned money. Stay with metal the end, because I'm also going to reveal one big truth people don't tell you about this system. Look, I get it, the online world is no easy today. It feels like only influencers with perfect faces or gurus with Lamborghinis get attention. But what about regular people like us, people who don't want to be on camera, don't want to dance on TikTok, and definitely don't want to waste months figuring out complicated tech you don't need to be seen to succeed? If that sounds like you, this might be interesting, because the invisible traffic system is built around one idea. That sentence hit me hard because deep down, many of us just want freedom, freedom to make money online, quietly, without attention, without judgment, without begging family and friends to support us rights. What exactly is the invisible traffic system? It is a training plus tool combo created by Dave Espino that teaches you how to generate traffic using AI-powered faceless content and under-the-radar traffic strategies. The goal is to get people to your offers automatically. It focuses on creating content without showing your face, using AI to generate videos fast, driving traffic from YouTube and AI search tools, building simple funnels that convert views into money, but marketing is full of hype. So does this actually work? Let's break down the system step by step. Dave's strategy has three simple pillars: traffic creation using AI videos. She show to create faceless videos in minutes using script tools, AI voiceover sans, stock visuals, no camera, no microphone. If you can copy and paste, you can do this. AI embedding methods. This part is unique. He teaches how to insert content into platforms where people are already searching, just especially YouTube search, Google snippets, and even AI answer tools. Think traffic tapping instead of traffic chasing. Traffic conversion system. Getting views alone doesn't make money. So he includes templates to build simple funnels from video to link to offer to email, follow up to sale. What I like: perfect for beginners, works for affiliate marketing, digital products, or YouTube channels. No need to show your face or spend on ads. Training is easy to follow. Refund guarantee for safety. What I didn't like: you still need to put in effort. This isn't push button money. AI videos still need creativity to stand out. Some automation tools are upsells. You need patience. Results build after consistency. This is for you. If you are shy and don't want to show your face, you want to start earning online without big investments, you are into affiliate marketing, YouTube automation, or passive income, you are willing to work consistently and follow a proven system, not for lazy people, not a magic ATM aerial system. If you want a simple step-by-step way to get traffic without showing your face, this is one of the best starting systems available. Right now, it is affordable, beginner friendly, and actually makes sense. I will leave the official link below so you can check it out yourself.